Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Madhu's Versity. So today we are going to learn exercise 1.4 of rational numbers, that is chapter 1. So before starting that, let's go through the few identities of square numbers, that is irrational numbers. Square root of AB is equal to root A into root B. Root A plus root B into root A minus root B is equal to A minus B. This is similar to A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Like that, root A plus root B into root A minus root B is A minus B. Square root of A by B is root A by root B. Next, root A plus root B into root C plus root D gives root of AC plus root of AD plus root of BC plus root of BD. How did we get this? By multiplying these two. Root of AC plus root of AD plus root of BC plus root of BD. Now this one is square root of A plus square root of B whole square. That is A plus B whole square. So what does this give? A square plus 2AB plus B square, right? So here A square will become A because it is square root of A. So A plus 2 root of AB plus B. Now the last one, A plus root B into A minus root B is A square minus B. So B has root, that is why it is not square, only B, A square minus B. Okay. Now let's go through the problems of exercise 1.4. So what is the first problem? Classify the following as rational or irrational. So the basic thing here we are going to learn is, if at all we are going to subtract an irrational number from a rational number, we will be getting a irrational number. So here this is a rational number, right? 2, 1. Here it is a root of 5 is an irrational number. So we are subtracting 2 minus root 5. It will become an irrational number. Okay. So then irrational number. Right. Now the second one. How are you going to do this? 3 plus root of 23 minus root of 23. So according to Bodmer's, let us first remove the brackets. So 3 plus square root of 23 minus square root of 23. So here plus 23, here minus 23. They both get cancelled. So what is the answer now? It will give 3. So 3 plus square root of 23 minus square root of 23 will give 3. Okay. Yes. Now let's go to the next one. 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. So how do we solve this? 2 square root of 7 by 7 square root of 7. So here numerator has root 7, denominator has root 7. So we are going to cancel denominator and the numerator. So finally what do we get? 2 by 7, which is an rational number. Which is a rational number. Okay. Even in the previous case, 3 is a whole number, right? So this is a rational number. Okay. Now we are going to do the last question, which is 1 by square root of 2. So we are going to divide the whole number with the irrational number, which will give an irrational number. Which will give a irrational number. So we have classified these things. First one is an irrational number. Second one is a rational number. Third one is a rational number. And fourth one is irrational number. Now Fifth one, what is this? 2 into pi. So pi, we can write it as 3.14 generally, right? But actually pi is an irrational number. Okay? Pi is actually an irrational number. So when we divide an irrational number with a rational number, we will get a irrational number. So the answer is irrational. So what do we get? Irrational. Okay. Now let's go through the other problems in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. If you have any doubts, please do mention in the comment box so that I can help you. Thank you.